All right, quick little video here. Got it running, pulled it out. It's down at the exhaust shop, getting its new exhaust. Now we're going to pull out of here. You're going to hear a lot of squeaking, and the exhaust is actually clearing the ground by this much. And when my front wheels go off the edge, it drags. Sounds awful. It's no big deal. It's just dragging on the ground. About 3 feet of dragging, and it quits. But I stopped to take a look at it. Nevertheless, let's take a look. It's a good day.